Good morning, everybody. I am Liz Keener with the Marine Retailers Association. I am out here at the Smokercraft dealer meeting. It's heavy dealer meeting season this fall. Dealer meetings are a great time for dealers to order their boats for the next year, for them to get to hang out with their reps and the manufacturer, learn what the manufacturer is up to, and go test ride the boats, which hopefully we're going to do later today. So Smokercraft's meeting is actually at their factory in New Paris, Indiana. So I'll be kind of giving you a tour throughout the day of the meeting. Smokercraft is really unique in that they probably put out more than 125 boats from their varying lines. So you can see here are some of their Starcraft fiberglass boats. And here we have some pontoons, including their mossy oaks. We're coming up to their vendor mall. They have especially some of their engine manufacturers and other partners. Of course, since it's at the factory, you can see the factory here. Throughout the day, they'll be giving dealers factory tours. So there's a lot of opportunity here to, again, sit through some meetings, visit the factory, see how the boats are built, and go out and ride them on the water. Smokercraft is a strategic partner of the MRAA and has been since the beginning. So we're really excited to have them as one of our partners, and we're excited to be here to support their dealer meeting. So we're about to walk inside of the Smokercraft dealer meeting. One of the cool things about Smokercraft is it has a rich history. They just put up this really cool timeline wall recently. I'm out here at Oakwood Resort on Lake Wawasee in Indiana. I'm out here for the Smokercraft dealer meeting, but this is actually a pretty popular lake for dealer meetings. For those that don't know, there's a few manufacturers, especially pontoon and aluminum manufacturers in this Elkhart, Northeast Indiana area. And so this lake, Lake Wawasee, is pretty popular. A lot of dealer meetings are done at this Oakwood Resort, and so it's a great lake to be on. I just got off a few demos, and yeah, it's a fantastic time out here. I am here at the Yamaha Watercraft 2025 dealer meeting. I'm going to give you a little tour of what we got going on here.